Does car insurance cover pothole damage? Is the answer yes or no? As you're probably figuring out if you read or watch a bunch of insurance videos like this, the answer when it comes to most insurance questions is it depends. So I don't have a true yes or no answer for you. Rather, it depends, but I'm going to break it down. By the end of the video, you'll be able to look at your own scenario and figure out if yes, it's going to be covered or no, it's not. So when it comes to car insurance, most everybody knows the terms just liability or liability only and full coverage. I don't like those terms because it's very vague and it can mean something different to everybody else, but we're going to use those guidelines to help explain this. So if you have liability only, that means you do not have comprehensive or collision coverage on your policy, which means anything that happens to your vehicle, your insurance company is not going to cover. Now, of course, if you have liability only and somebody else hits you and it's their fault and they have insurance, their insurance should pay for that. But if it's something you do, like running over a pothole, there's nobody else who has insurance. The pothole doesn't have insurance to pay for your car. Nobody else does. So if you have just liability and you have pothole damage, the answer is no. You will not have coverage for the damage from the pothole. However, if you have full coverage, which means you have comprehensive and collision coverage, generally this would fall under comprehensive, but if you have comprehensive, most policies that I'm aware of across the United States, yes, they are going to cover you for pothole damage. But there are a few things that you need to know. The first thing is when it comes to both comprehensive and collision coverage, there are deductibles. Most common is usually $500 or $1,000. So let's just say you have a $500 deductible. Let's say you hit a really good pothole and there's $5,000 worth of damage. You have comprehensive coverage. Your insurance company is going to give you the $5,000 in damage minus your $500 deductible. So you would actually get a check for $4,500 to help repair your car that was damaged by a pothole. So if this ever happens to you, if you do run over a pothole and there's lots of damage, in that case, take lots of pictures, document it, take pictures of the damage to your car, take pictures of the pothole, and document it. Then at that point, you want to take it into a body shop and make sure that the damage that your car sustained was worth it to file a claim. Because again, you have your deductible. If the damage is only $600 and you have a $500 deductible, you're only going to get $100 from the insurance company. So in that case, it's not worth it to file a claim. So on things that involve nobody else, just you, like a pothole, get an estimate first and then decide if it's worth it to file the claim. But remember, if you just have liability, it doesn't matter how much it costs, your insurance company is not going to pay for that damage. I hope that clears it up. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will respond and give you the answer that you need.